So, I know that I made a video not that long ago about the glasses that I got from America's Best, which is the pair that are currently on my face, but there was the whole drama with one pair had the coating, this pair, that I can wear on camera, the other pair did not, and not having a second pair to go back and forth between bothered the hell out of me. Enter the brand Firmoo, which I think 2 different optometrists had actually commented on this channel, saying that they're one of the trustworthy optical places online that offer very affordable prescription glasses if you have your prescription info, that you can order them online. They won't damage your eyes by being like chintzy glasses or anything. They actually are legit. So the company actually reached out to me and offered me a free pair. So I took them up on it, and they actually came relatively quickly and all, too. I still had my prescription info left over from when I bought this pair. I will show you this pair in just a second. The only thing that I didn't have was the PD, the pupil distance, which is really easy to figure out if you use a ruler and you measure like the number of, I think, centimeters or millimeters between your pupils. You can figure that out. That's the only other number in addition to your actual prescription info you need to order glasses online. Now, this pair, I wanted something very similar to this pair so I can just go back and forth fairly seamlessly between them. So in the box, you get your little bag it doubles as a cleaning cloth. I wish this had come with something like that, because like I said, I went out, I bought microfiber cloths and everything for that. But the pair that I bought, the model number, let's see here. The model number of these is the F19401A. So they're similar, they're not identical, but they're similar. There's more of a point to these cat eyes than these. These are my more subtle cat eyes. I'll show them side by side. And the fact that I spent so much for these, and then these were freaking free. All I paid out of pocket was to have the coating added to them so I could use them on camera. And I believe that coating was only like 10 or 20 bucks. The frames themselves, if you actually pay for them, are only like 20 something. This particular set of frames would normally cost $25.99. This was like the 70 bucks for 2 pairs and then like another 100 to have the coating put on. Just saying, they probably actually did have closer to this shape if I'd looked further, but this was the first thing that I saw that was pretty close, so I was like, actually, I'm cool with that. They can be a little bigger. As we can see, the lens size themselves is larger, but I kind of dig that. So, here's the big reveal. Actually, let me wipe off the little bit of dust right there. I've already seen how they look on, but here is how these look on, and I actually like it. I mean, the points are a little higher than I personally probably would have gone for if I had picked these out in store, but that's okay. Because I'm like, I have long hair, and honestly, I can just go like that over the points, and that one didn't go over. And now they basically look like my other pair, more or less. So I'm like, okay, that works for me. I like what my sister said with this particular shape. She's like, they're like a subtle Elton John. If there is such thing as a subtle Elton John. I was like, I will take that as a glowing testimonial here. So, honestly, yeah, they're a little bit more reflecty than this pair. This is true, but, I mean, it's not like these are immune from it, but they're still a great deal better than that purple pair with no coating. Like, I can look up at lights and not see halos around shit. That's all I was hoping for, really. So it accomplishes that. No sweat. So this brand, they have all different styles. They have pages and pages and pages. They have men's styles, women's styles. They have reading glasses. They have sunglasses. They've got kids stuff. They've got all sorts of things in here. All of them great. There's the virtual try-on option. So that's great, too, that they've got that. If I had wanted John Lennon glasses, I could have gotten them, but again, I wanted to get something similar to my other pair. Again, not identical, I want to be able to tell them apart, so I made sure they're a little bit different, but I wanted it in the same realm, which I accomplished. So, I have a code for you guys. so you can get a free pair if you want them. Use the code, this is all caps, AUFFF at checkout. You'll be able to get a free pair. You'll still have to pay for shipping, but the pair itself will be free. If you want the coatings on them, that you do still have to pay for coatings, but just a basic pair of glasses up to a 1.50 prescription you can get for free. You're welcome. So anyways, I want to thank Firmoo.com for sponsoring this video and for sending me these glasses for free, because this is so helpful. Of any brand deal I've ever had that reached out and sent me something, this is probably the most useful thing I've ever been sent. So anyway guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Click that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Let me know if you grabbed yourself a pair of glasses from Firmoo. If you post any pictures on social media, tag me in them so I can see the glasses that you got. Let me know the model number if you don't take a picture in them, just so I can see which glasses you picked out, just because I'm curious. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.